Now, Indiana State Republicans and Democrats both announcing their legislative agenda for the 2021 session. Legislators went back to work in Indianapolis last Monday. Both sides are focusing on rebuilding of businesses as a result of COVID-19, but there are some differences between each side's main points. Senate Republicans say their policies include giving businesses, individuals, and healthcare entity liability protections from COVID-19 lawsuits, fully funding students who are virtual due to COVID-19, codify telehealth expansions, and improving local government accountability. Democrats' caucus agenda consists of 4 priorities themselves. 1, raising the minimum wage, boosting workers' compensation benefits, support of justice reform agenda, including those that include banning no-knock warrants and chokehold maneuvers, and expanding access to voting by allowing no-excuse absentee voting and ballot drop boxes. I was able to speak with Representative Phil Giaquinta today about one of those, raising the minimum wage. He says an increase is warranted and is something many states across the United States are doing right now.
We have put forth amendments in the past to put that on the ballot for voters to decide. And unfortunately, it hasn't passed, but I'm sure if it was on the ballot, it would pass overwhelmingly, just as it has in about a half a dozen states, I believe, this last November.
Indiana lawmakers are also expediting 2 bills intended to ensure schools receive full funding for all students. This is regardless of whether they're receiving virtually or the in-class learning during the pandemic. The draft bills were filed in the House and Senate at the start of the 2021 legislative session, both redefining what constitutes a, quote, virtual student and ensuring there would be no reduction in per-student funding for traditionally in-person schools.